Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has recently rolled out a pair of beta channel builds to the Insider program, build 2261.1537 and 22624.1537. And the features we are going to have a quick look at today have already appeared in the Canary channel, the dev channel, and now are made available in the beta channel. So this is a good indication that these features we will just have a quick look at today could roll out in an up-and-coming stable version, possibly in the Moment 3 update, rolling out in May and or June, or also in the feature update 23H2, rolling out in the latter half of this year. So the first is, according to Microsoft, access keys in File Explorer. And these are the features that are new in build 22624. Now, these access keys in the File Explorer apparently appear in the context menu, as we can see from the File Explorer. And if you don't know what an access key is, it's a one keystroke shortcut that will allow a keyboard user to quickly execute a command in the context menu. So as we can see from the screenshot provided, each access key will correspond with a letter in the display name. So you get those access keys, which I think is quite handy, especially if you are using features in the context menu on a regular basis. Moving on to the next, and this will also look a little bit familiar. As mentioned, this has been featured in the Canary and the dev and now the beta channel. You can now create live kernel memory dumps in the task manager. And this is mainly geared towards IT admins and so on, but nonetheless, to capture a live kernel memory dump, you go to the details menu in the task manager, right click on the actual system process, and the context menu then should light up to show you, as we can see, create live kernel memory dump file, and then you can capture a full live kernel memory dump and also a kernel stacks memory dump. So I think if you are an RT admin, that will be a useful feature if and when it does roll out. And then sticking with those live kernel memory dumps, you can also go to the task manager settings. As we can see, to the settings page to view and edit the settings for live kernel memory dumps. And then the last one for today that's worth mentioning for the beta channel builds for this week, and mainly as mentioned in 22624, which has new features rolling out by default. I did talk about this in a previous Insider build last week. You now have Content Adaptive Brightness Control, CABC, on plugged-in devices, including desktop PCs. And just a quick background, according to Microsoft, this feature in Windows 11 will dim or brighten areas of a display or monitor based on the content being displayed, with the goal of basically getting a balance between reduced power consumption with visual experience to save battery life. Now, as we can see from the screenshot provided, starting with this build, 22624, Microsoft say they are allowing this feature to run on devices such as laptops and 2-in-1s that are plugged into a charger, as well as on a desktop PC. And this can be accessed, as we can see, from the settings page, system display, and the brightness and color settings. And yeah, as we can see from the drop-down fly-out menu, you have off, always, and on battery only, which obviously is applicable to battery devices running on battery power. And that's the new Content Adaptive Brightness, CABC, on plugged-in devices, including desktop PCs. And that's more or less what's new in build 22624. And over and above that, we get a good couple of bug fixes, and that's quite understandable because this is the Insider program, and there are prone to be bugs in the preview builds, and then a couple of known issues. And as mentioned, these features, as shown today, have appeared in the Canary, the dev, and now the beta channel. So a good chance that some of these may roll out in up-and-coming stable versions. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.